In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert the LinkedIn logo into a Google Doc. Let's dive right in and make your document look even more professional with this simple yet effective technique. First, let's start by downloading or finding a LinkedIn logo that suits your needs. Ideally, you'll want to look for a PNG or SVG file format. These formats are great because they maintain their quality even when resized, ensuring your logo looks crisp and clean. There are plenty of free resources online where you can find these images. Once you've chosen the perfect logo, save it directly onto your computer. Keeping the file easily accessible will make the next steps a breeze. Now, open the Google Doc where you want to place the LinkedIn logo. If you haven't created your document yet, go ahead and do that now. Once your document is ready, position your cursor precisely where you want the logo to appear. This step is crucial because it allows the logo to land exactly where you want it without any additional adjustments. With your cursor in place, it's time to insert the image. Simply drag the LinkedIn logo file from your computer and drop it directly into your Google Doc at the cursor's location. Google Docs will handle the image insertion for you seamlessly. You should see the image upload within seconds, appearing right where you placed it in the document. Once the logo is in your document, you might notice that it's not the size you desire. Maybe it's a bit too large or slightly too small for the look you're going for. No worries. Resizing the image is a straightforward process. Click on the image and you'll notice blue markers appear around the edges. These markers allow you to adjust the size of the image to fit your needs, to maintain the proportions of the LinkedIn logo and avoid any distortion. Remember to hold the Shift key down while resizing. This simple trick ensures that the logo retains its original look and feel. And there you have it. You've successfully inserted and resized the LinkedIn logo in your Google Doc. This quick process can add a professional touch and clarity to your document, making it truly stand out. With fewer than 5 steps, inserting an image becomes a seamless task that you can master with just a little bit of practice. Keep in mind, a well-placed professional logo can make all the difference in how your document is perceived. So, don't hesitate to utilize this method in your future projects. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and good luck with enhancing your documents.